Regional safety inspectors have found evidence of what they call widespread cracking on the skin of a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737 that made an emergency landing in Arizona with a hole in the cabin. National Transportation Safety Board member Robert Sumwalt.
A preliminary on-site examination reveals pre-existing fatigue along the entire fracture surface. And this is a term known in the industry as multi-site damage.
Sumwalt said he didn't know of any additional problems with Southwest's fleet of Boeing 737s.
Was the aircraft well maintained, and should it have been maintained better? That is exactly why we are here, to look at why this problem occurred, why it was not detected, and why this event happened.
Southwest has grounded part of its fleet for inspections because of the incident, canceling 300 flights on Saturday and another 300 flights on Sunday. John Decker, Reuters.